Flawless. We wake up flawless. What's up, y'all, and welcome back to LifeAsDe'j. And before we get into this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you are not already subscribed. Today we are going to be doing my nails, and if you can see right now, they look atrocious, honey, like terrible. So this is long overdue. And my background with me in nail shops, we don't get along. We're like grease and water, y'all, grease and water. So I decided to take matters into my own hands. So I'm just gonna hop right into it, and we gonna see how this go, okay? So I'm gonna be doing a review on these nails, and they are press-ons called Impress. When you open it, it's 30 nails included and 6 accent nails. I got some nail glue just in case, you know, things don't go as planned. And these are so old, y'all. I do not do my nails. Maybe I should have bought some new ones, but we ain't gonna talk about that. So the steps, it says it's 3 simple, easy steps. And the first one is to clean with enclosed prep pad, peel off, and then press on. It's a Don't Miss prep pad. I think that's a buffer to buff your nails. Useful tips. Always apply both thumbnails last. So let's get right into it. I'm gonna start with my pinky just because this is the smallest nail. So this is an upgrade from when I used to put on press-ons back in the day. You know, we used to have to paint them ourselves. But it's a good thing that these nails already come designed and painted, so I'm happy about that. So everything else is basically self-explanatory, so y'all can just watch and see what I'm doing, which is just pressing these nails on. And when you press them down, make sure that you're pressing hard one, and before you even put them on, make sure that you press down on the nail because they do spread out the more you press. So make sure you press down on it so you don't get one that's too big. And for this one, I'm gonna do another marble. And they feel really sticky. Like as soon as I put it down, put the nail on my actual nail, it feels really, really sticky. And ta-da, this was like a 10-minute manicure. Okay, this is the finishing product. And I really like them. They strong. Now what if one just pops off? I would be, and look, they have like an actual gel finish looking. I really like them. Okay, y'all, so I just finished doing my gel manicure. I need some lotion, but this is how they turned out. And I have marble nails, a glitter, and the other ones are gray, but they look kind of blue, but they gray. And they are really pretty. They short, but they cute. So here is my review on these Impress nails by Kiss. So they really easy to apply. You don't need no glue. You don't need no extra stuff. You know, I just got me a quick little manicure for like $6. I think these was like $6, but I'm gonna put it in the description box down below. I got mine from Walmart, but they have them at Target. You know, you probably can get them online. So, and the thing that I like about these is they have a lot of different styles. When I seen these nails, I was like, marble? Hold on, I gotta get them. I gotta get them. Come up off them. These were only $6. They were super easy to apply. Like that's, okay, a 2-year-old can do this. I'm just, you know, happy that I don't gotta go to the nail shop because Deja do not mess with the nail shop. I do not like the nail shop. So I'm really happy I was able to do these nails myself. And I think I'm gonna keep wearing press-ons. We're gonna see how long they last, but they are really soft. It looked like I just got my nails done, literally. So go get y'all these nails because y'all waste y'all money at these nail shops. I'm gonna see if they have some longer ones, and then I'll do a tutorial on those if they do have some longer ones. But these gonna work just fine for me for now. They're gonna work just fine for me for now because I got a whole lot that I'm about to be doing. So you know, moving things and all of that. So yeah, I would like to thank y'all for watching this video, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you are not already subscribed. Yeah, love y'all. Bye. Mwah. Then they have this little, oh, what is that? A buffer. And I thought I was gonna need this nail glue, y'all, but I don't even need that. What's up, y'all, and welcome. What you say? Huh? I didn't hear you. Oh, excuse me? Oh, come again? Okay, so I gave y'all my review on these nails because they cute and I like them. They only $6, so y'all better go get y'all some and stop wasting y'all money at these nail shops. Period.